They're all widgeon. Drake Mallard, left side.
So as you just saw, those birds are absolutely dumping into the field, and I'm watching more come in right now. I'd rather have you guys look at my pretty face though, but this field they're dumping in. There is sheet water in this field from just a really heavy rain in the fall up here. Could be a great hunt. Stay tuned. It's going to be an epic one. Ducks are going to be doing it dirty. We'll see y'all there. We're doing the greatest thing of all time right now. We're posting our field that we're hunting tomorrow. So it is a lock now, ladies and gentlemen.
Posted. Well, Panda Poppers, good morning. We are, all 5 of us are set up out here on this nice flooded bean field, and we might shoot some ducks today. It's looking good. So I'm not gonna even yap too much, honestly. I'll just let you guys check it out for yourselves. Stay tuned. Oh, look at this. Those are widgeon. We got about 2-3 minutes before we can shoot, so it might be lights out today. It might be lights out. Bye bye. Shoot that Drake on the left, Andrew. Leave those. Leave the widge. Good shot.
1 for 1.
Stop swearing.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not editing out swearing.
I forgot you were recording.
Gosh, we're on the board. Woo! It's not banded. Throw it away. Throw it away. We're only shooting bands today. I see one drake in there. See that drake on the left? Shoot those 2 drakes!
Wow. I only had 1 shot in my gun. We killed it.
Yeah, we killed 2.
Keep coming.
These are all widgeon. Drake Mallard, left side, right there.
Guys.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Great shooting, everybody. Great shooting. Well, that'll do. It's a drake. That's how you shoot, guys.
Thank you for feeling my ear.
I did shoot right probably in your ear.
Yeah, I did. Jack, did you shoot?
Dump into these. Kill those. Oh, my safety.
We all shot perfect there.
Folded that, Drake.
We all shot perfect.
Got up, my safety was on, I had to click it off. That one's still alive, finish it. Stand up though and shoot.
You got it, Andrew. I got it. Oh.
Just shoot that drake. Alright, let's go move. Decoys.
Yep, I'll go grab it. You guys want to move?
There's a lot of drakes in there. Right side.
Right side.
Low. Drake, baby!
Hit with something.
Oh, I hit it! Oh my god! I tripled!
That one's going down.
That one doesn't have a right wing.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Went over the hill.
No, maybe 4-shot isn't the move if we're shooting this one.
Go grab the one in the kill hole and then just get back in.
I'm putting 2-shot in now.
Yeah.
I put BB in. Bottom one.
Drake's.
Oh, watch out. Good aim, boys.
There's some nice drakes right there. Hen and a drake. Oh, get.
Wow, he's going down, huh?
He's bulletproof. Hi. Gotta love running. I got 3 drakes right here and a wedge.
Can I throw this hand wedge? We should get in these ducks.
Just get in.
Right side the drink.
Kill the drake.
Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me.
How did we not kill that?
Oh. How are we missing?
I think I just killed Max.
Get here.
Hey, you threw a shotgun shell at me last week, so.
I can't hear.
Huh?
I think the geese are coming. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's on me.
We suck.
Can we just kill that duck next time, though?
I would have shot, but I mean, I couldn't fucking hear.
You just gotta lock in, Max.
Oh, Jeff. You take him?
You want to? Go for it.
There we go, boys.
Work, boys.
Woo! Nice puddle.
Hey, we might need to kill that one.
Might have to go. I'll go chase them with the gun. Good shooting there.
Here, I'll shoot that one.
I see you, boy. I see you. You got dirty. Get your finisher ready, Max.
This is a lot worse than last time.
I know.
Last time
We'll start taking them more when they're up top like that. We'll start taking them more when they're up top like that. So we got 1, 2.
You got blood all over my ball.
We got 4 Drake Mallards right here.
I have 5 behind me.
Okay.
I have 5 here.
Okay.
So 14. Left side Drake.
Yep. That'll do.
Oh.
You had to say that.
You can leave it in.
You don't. No, it's not. Oh my. Yep.
Take him.
Yeah, wait till he's behind you to shoot, dumb.
Just take him. Oh, that's a Drake. Guys, shoot him again. There you go. And then we got one over there too. Dead.
Well, should we go pick those then?
Yep.
Hit it. You're a big guy. What? Move what to the side? I mean, you need to get a blanket. They're definitely flaring off of you. Can you get lower? Oh, okay, okay, okay. I don't even know how they're actually finishing. That's terrible. Might as well just stand up and wave at them. Save them the time.
Next time we hunt water, tell me and I'll bring an A-frame.
Yeah.
I'll bring both A-frames.
No, that'll do.
Oh yeah, good shit.
How did we hit that? He's dead.
He's dead.
He is very much dead.
Hey, redo. This is how you finish a duck. I can't grab him. And now he's dead.
Yeah, he's dead. He might move around a little bit, but he's dead. Well, it's about 9:39 right now, and we're at like 20 birds, I think. We can shoot about 5 more mallards. 5 to 8 more mallards. So it's cool, it's nice. Great morning so far. Haven't done a lot of commentary because there's just been a lot of birds, but they won't finish, and it's really annoying. If the birds that we had today like would actually finish in our spread, it'd be normal. Okay, we'll get in then. Oh yeah, I mean there's ducks in this field. So yeah, that's what we're working with so far. Some uncooperative birds, but Andrew's also just sitting on a layout chair. He doesn't even have cover over him, so he's an idiot. So stay tuned. More ducks. Kill it! Get it, boys! Oh! It's dead! Woo! Ow.
I'll go grab him.
That definitely hurt.
I was literally...
Kill him. There's one right in front of us.
Oh, let me shoot him, let me shoot him, let me shoot him, let me shoot him. Where's my 3.5?
No!
Alright. Punch up, you can cover yours.
Yeah, that did it. Up. Kill that.
There we go. It was a
Look at that crow. Oh, yeah.
Lose it, you never win it. You've never had any. Oh, boy! That stuff is... Yeah!
Oh, yeah. Well, that is a wrap right there. We just killed a bunch of ducks. Super fun. A lot of green. A lot of fun. I mean, just, you can't not like that. You have to actually love that. Let's see what McKenna thinks about the hunt today. McKenna took a nap the whole time.
Yeah, I slept pretty good.
But she was the real reason that we did good. So she was our good luck charm. Andrew, I don't like this kid. He has 3 brain cells, and they're
You'll
located.
actually never see me on the channel ever again. I'm retiring.
We're gonna take off now. But this is what we were working with today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe, please. I beg you. No, I'm cutting that out. Restart. Thanks for watching, everybody. From Keegan to McKenna to Max.
Okay.
And everybody else that was probably here. Thanks for watching. See you next time.